That split verdict in Polk County today, a jury finding Tracey Nix not guilty of aggravated manslaughter, but they did find her guilty of leaving a child unattended inside a car. Welcome in everyone here to ABC Action News at 5. I'm Paul Legrone.
And I'm Lauren St. Germain. Thanks for being with us. We've been following this story for years now. Our Kylie McGivern was the first to talk with Tracey's daughter, Kayla. She was torn between getting justice for her daughter and the possibility her mother will spend time in prison. Kylie joins us live now from the Polk County Courthouse in Bartow with reaction from the child's parents. Kylie.
Yes, we were inside as the verdict was read, and we just want to say there was so much leading up to this moment. We first sat down with Kayla and Drew, the parents of baby Uriel, about 2 years ago, and they were there as this verdict was read. Take a listen.
Verdict form. We, the jury, find as follows as to count 1 of the charge. The defendant, Tracey Howard Nix, is not guilty. We, the jury, find as follows as to count 2 of the charge. The defendant, Tracey Howard Nix, is guilty of leaving a child in a motor vehicle in excess of 15 minutes, causing great bodily harm.
And there were tears throughout the courtroom, and we spoke with Kayla about what it was like to see her own mother taken off in handcuffs.
The daughter and me had a very hard time with her being taken, and I ended up stepping aside for that moment. And it isn't something that I would ever call a win for me. It is a win for justice for my daughter. The destruction that has come from this process is pretty unfathomable as well. You know, my kids are dead, but I've lost a lot more.
Now, you heard Kayla say kids. We want to be clear that this trial just was for baby Uriel. That was the baby who was left in the back seat of a hot car. But as we were the first to report about 2 years ago, less than a year before that, another child of Kayla and Drew died when he drowned at a pond near Tracey's home. So that's why she brought this up, this immense loss, when again, this trial just focused on that aggravated manslaughter. We then spoke with Tracey's attorney about what he and they thought of the jury's decision.
They did their job. They did not convict her of the aggravated manslaughter or the manslaughter, which was a win. They had no choice on count 2. I don't know how sophisticated you are with the counts, but I never argued against count 2 because I had nothing to argue.
And he was saying they had nothing to argue and that they have never argued that Tracey did not leave her granddaughter in the back seat. He said they do still plan to appeal. And what you might be wondering is how much time that Tracey could potentially be looking at. We're talking 5 to 6 years, but he did say that they do plan to file a motion to go below those sentencing guidelines. And as of now, that sentencing hearing is scheduled for April 3rd. We're live in Polk County. Kylie McGivern, ABC Action News.